Hello?
Hello?
Is this Robert, brah?
Robert?
Yeah.
He's in the shower.
Oh, this is the dog calling.
The dog?
The dog. Is Pedro Suarez there?
I'm sorry, say that again?
Pedro Suarez.
Pedro Suarez?
Yeah.
Hang on, Pedro.
No, but is he there?
Well, he's home.
Is Pedro Suarez is there?
No, Pedro's isn't here. I thought you were Pedro's.
No, I'm dog.
You're dog?
I'm dog.
Oh, that's great.
So, if you hear anything, stick with Christ, you know?
Pardon me?
Stick with Christ.
But you have to say that again, sorry.
Stay with Christ.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I have a funny feeling you got the wrong number there, dog.
No.
Why?
No. Hey, is Robert there?
You want Robert?
I want Robert.
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 All right, just a second there, dog. Looking for you is dog. He's looking for Robert. Hello.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Yo.
Is this Robert? Is Pedro Suarez there?
Pardon?
Pedro. Is he there?
No.
Why not?
Fuck if I know.
We're looking out for him.
Good.
So, you know, stick with Christ, brah.
Okay.
Yeah, so, you know, if you hear anything suspicious, just give us a call. Call the Dog Chapman hotline.
Who?
I am the dog, the big bad dog. Bounty hunter. Hello?
Who the fuck else would it be? Yeah, okay.
I am the dog, the big bad dog.
Hello?
Hello?
Robert doesn't want to talk to you anymore
Why not?
because he doesn't know what the hell you want.
I want Pedro Suarez.
Pedro Suarez.
Pedro Suarez.
I'm sorry, don't know.
Why not?
Tell me why you're calling.
Because I am the dog,
Oh, I
the
know
big
you're
bad dog.
You're the dog.
Bounty hunter.
No, seriously, who is this?
I am the dog,
Oh, I
the
know
big
you're
bad dog.
I think you should have a nice day.
Stick with Christ, bro.
Pardon?
Stick with Christ.
I think you have a nice night.
Stick with Christ, bro. I am the dog, the big bad dog.
You're the big bad dog.
The big bad dog. It's my theme song.
Huh?
It's my theme song. I'm Dog the Bounty Hunter.
So, how old are you?
Me?
Yeah, dog.
Why does it matter?
Well, because this is a little ridiculous, that's all.
Excuse me?
Well, you're just sounding a little ridiculous.
I'm sounding ridiculous.
Yeah, yes, people don't normally call themselves the dog.
You know what, ma'am?
What?
I'm just gonna have you just settle down.
Just settle down.
Settle down, ma'am.
Who wants me to settle down? You know, like I said earlier, you just have a nice day and I'm gonna hang up.
Ma'am. I am... What? Ma'am?
Yeah?
I am the dog. The big bad dog.
And what would you like me to do with that dog?
I'm just looking out for Pedro Suarez.
Well, you know what? If I run into Pedro, I'll tell him the dog was looking for him.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you know my hotline number?
No, I'll just tell him that the dog is looking for him.
Ma'am, we're looking out for him. I'm a bounty hunter.
Oh, you're a bounty hunter.
I'm a bounty hunter. Kind of like the one in the Star Wars, but not really.
All right.
I am the dog, the big bad dog. Stick with Christ, brah.
Bye now.
Stick with Christ.
Yeah, you have a great
I am the dog, the big bad dog. Hello?
Bye.
Brah?